look where we are.
Hey.
It's a beach house. It's a beach house. I wish Olaf and Kristoff were here.
My boyfriend.
I never got to meet
My
Kristoff. It says recommended SPF is 30. Don't get burned.
Or 50.
Or 50 or more, it's fine. We're at Blizzard Beach. Ooh, that's scary. It's so tall.
That's not happening.
It's happening.
Not happening.
I'm doing it. We're going on this one. We're gonna race. I don't know who's gonna win. Probably Maddie.
For sure gonna win.
I don't know, we're gonna have to see. It's gonna be intense. I won a lot yesterday.
You're going down. I'm winning.
Okay, we'll see. We'll see.
I don't
we'll
lose.
see. Oh, who won? Do you not want to hold it?
Gotta get lit.
What's this one called, Maddie?
Storm runners? I don't know. Stormers.
Something.
Storming sliders. Sliding storm.
Something about
Storm sliders.
Storm sliders.
Storm sliders, for
Cool.
sure.
You use these things to get way up there, or you could walk, but that's no fun. There's too many stairs here.
I'm out of breath. I hate it.
There's too many. But I mean, it's pretty, I guess.
Good workout.
It is. This is our workout for the day. We're so high up and out of breath, and you can see Animal Kingdom and the back side of Everest, which isn't very pretty, but this view is even prettier. Oh my gosh. The fun part. Yeah. How's that one facing forward? Oh my gosh. Up on the wall. This is long. Whee, we made it. A hidden Mickey. It's not very hidden, but Mickey. Get in, Maddie. Woo. In the girls' cave. We're getting food at the warming hut. I think I'm gonna get the Southwest chicken wrap because that looks really good. And it's really cute. Look at our view. Maddie brought her Chick-fil-A from yesterday. I have my Powerade, as always. It's great. I look tan right now.
Yeah, you do.
I wish I was tanner than I am, but it's okay. Kids keep laying on the ground. Don't really understand, but it's okay. So the Southwest chicken wrap is really good. It was really big, so I only ate like half of it, but I'm gonna eat the rest later. And then we got some chips with it too.
Some hydration.
And we got some water.
Yes, water.
Yes, very important. Yeah, so it's really good. I would recommend it. I really want to eat the rest of it, but I'm too full, so. We're going to go on the ski lift now and do the family ride again. Woo! Because we are family. It's so cool.
I got all my sisters and me.
It's so cute. I love it. I like how they have little skis under there. We made it. Woo! We're skiing.
We're going skiing.
Woo! So much fun. It's so nice to be here. We're in a ski lift in summer. This is Olaf's dream. So we keep getting stuck.
I don't like it.
Maddie's not having fun.
I'm just not having it. There's wind and we're bouncing and we're swinging.
Yeah, we are swinging a bit, but
hanging on by a small cable. It's fine.
it's really, I mean, it's really fine. It's
Small
just a fake cable. It's okay. There's so many people on here, like, it's fine. It's fine. We're fine. Instead of going up those stairs.
Colin!
Did you get wet?
Yes!
It was Ola. I'm sorry. It's better than the stairs, though, honestly.
The water was chilly.
Well,
Some of it splashed me.
yeah. I like this little hut.
Do not hold on to the seat in your strength.
I saw that guy earlier.
Just wait for the chair or go directly to your right.
We're excited. Mocking me. Just unimpressed. Unimpressed. My brains are gonna get frozen, I know. We need some reindeer slobber. Works better than booze.
We made it. We have a
Drowning.
It's fine. Look at all the people. Hello, people. You match. Me too. You match more than me.
A double tube. So she's pulling me to go get it. Sorry. Run, run, run! Mama, we made it. We're about to get soaked. He's sneezing.
Hogan. It's not bad. All right. So we're leaving.
So much fun.
So much fun. We did
Fun was
everything.
had.
All the weights were really short. So that's always nice too.
I'm
The ground is
tired.
hot. We're sleepy. It's the sun. It's the sun. Okay, bye.